Hi guys, so we are gonna make this amazing bean salad. So this is everything you're gonna need. I am gonna list the recipe after I make the video, don't worry. I just want you to subscribe and also share the recipe. It's super easy and it's super delicious. So let's get started. Anybody knows how to get rid of fruit flies, please let me know. I don't like them. They're not my best friends at all. We're not best friends. But let's get into this salad. So, in my big bowl, you're gonna need, of course, your onions of choice. I'm using green onion and red onion. You don't need to use both. You can use whatever onion you have available. I'm using some peppers. I have some diced some cucumber. I have beans, apple cider vinegar, some kale that I cooked earlier. I blanched off. Then I also have some agave, some pink salt, some lime juice, and then for beans, I'm actually using 4 different kinds of beans. I'm using my chickpeas I did, some black beans, kidney beans, and also pinto. Again, you can use whatever you want. I am going to make an alkaline version of this salad because you can alkaline it. So you're just going to add your beans to the bowl. Make sure to get all of them. You don't want to miss a bean. Then you're going to add in your peppers. And then you're going to add in your onion. I'm going to get all the onion out of there. I love onion. There's not a lot of onion in here because it's a strong, it can get very strong if you leave it in the mixture. Then we're going to add in the cucumber. Again, make sure to get everything out of the bowl. Then we're going to add in our kale, which is a new add, because when I made this is not a big enough bowl. When I made this the first time, I'm going to get a bigger bowl for this. Yeah, I'm going to put this in a bigger bowl. Give me like 4 seconds. No, give me a few minutes. I'm going to transfer my sweet potatoes to the container, and then I'm going to put it in a bigger bowl because this is not big enough. As you can see, it's like full to the top. It's because there's more ingredients in here than there were previously, but that's fine. We're just going to put it in my extra large bowl. Alright, that's all cleaned out, and we're going to transfer this to a bigger bowl. Alright, so, and we also got it mixed. That's one mix. So we put it in a bigger bowl because there was a lot going on. I'm going to just scoop all the rest of that out. Alright, so we have everything in the bowl.